What a beautiful day to be at my house. I just wish to make a city. Wait, what is that new stand? City upgrade for 7 diamonds. That's interesting. Now, what I need to do is to get whatever this is, this city upgrade. Now, I don't know what this is. 7 diamonds? Oh, we're supposed to put the 7 diamonds here. Well, pretty sure I could just steal them. Whoa. I'm not going that down. I want to be fair. But looks like they don't give me a pickaxe. I have to start from scratch. Well, let's start. Now, what's all this loot? I've been making it. I'm getting. This was from last time's mining when I was getting all of this to build my house, but I lost, but then by a miracle, the resources were still in my inventory, but the pickaxes weren't. And I also built this gigantic flag representing the Quavis. Now, what I need to do is find a mine. This is gonna take forever. We just need... Now, I have an iron pickaxe, as in the last video, and I went to a deep slate cave. So, yeah. Oh. Now, how can I reach? There's a big lava. There's so much lava. Wait, I see a deep slate block. No. Where are the diamonds? They're up there. How am I gonna get up to them? Guess I need to get blocks. Fortunately. Unfortunately, I died in the cave due to lava since I fell, but I paused the video and I re-edited it, and I was re-editing it so it does not get embarrassing. And also, I forgot to I paused the video so the video is not too long. Why are all of these diamonds? There are more here. Let's go. And therefore, I also got a lot of blocks. Let's go. Say less, bro. I have 2 diamonds. 3, 4, and 5. Are there any more? Yes, let's go. Wait. 6, 7. Okay. I just like saying 6, 7. But now we have our 7 diamonds. So let's go. Let's go. Now we can put the diamonds in the chest. But I like to play with the rules fairly. Look, wait, where the heck did this come from? Look behind you. Wait, what? Since when did this spawn? I'm not understanding anything. Maybe these signs are instructions? Hi, want creative mode? you need to put 10 blocks of gold, 4 iron, 11 diamonds, and a diamond pickaxe, and 10 netherite ingots on barrel 2. Take 16 obsidian and flint and steel. On barrel 3, when you're done, creative keys will spawn on barrel 1. So, first of all, I should take all the obsidian. I think it means to build another portal. But what do I do with the extra 4 or 6? I don't know. But I'm gonna build another portal, alright? And I'm not wasting no obsidian. I'm not wasting no obsidian. So first, like this. 1, 2, 3. At this point, I'm saving up. Okay, now let's go.